Life Drawing by Natalie Richy. In this video lesson, you will discover how to make a fast sketch of a reclining model in red chalk in just over 10 minutes. Natalie Richy, a Life Drawing Academy tutor, begins this artwork by measuring the overall proportions of a figure with a pencil. The proportion in question is the figure's height-to-width ratio. One mistake that beginners often make, especially when under time pressure, is misjudging the main proportion and running out of paper. To avoid such an oversight when drawing a reclining model, take your time to measure with precision how many times the distance from the top edge of a figure to its bottom edge fits into the figure's length. Use that proportion to mark the boundaries of your sketch on paper and stay within those boundaries to the end. There is an endless array of proportions you may think of and measure, both in life and in drawing. For example, you can measure how many times the model's upper arm fits into her torso. Or what is bigger from your point of view, the height of the head or the width of the waist? Is the model's hand as big as her face? What is the distance from the pit of the neck to the top of the head? How much longer does one thigh appear than the foreshortened one? Which is bigger, the width of the thigh or the height of the face? And so on. If you know human anatomy for artists, can use constructive drawing principles and measure all you want by eye, the next level is to work on developing your own creative style, loosening your gesture sketching skills, and finding your unique and recognizable way of drawing models' figures and portraits.